To fry our banana, we're going to start with 2.5 inches of banana, and we'll roll the banana from the corner with the egg roll wrapper. Now gently fold over the corners, and we'll continue to roll it over, and then we're going to glue it down with a little cornstarch and water mixture. Roll it over itself like that. That will help it stick when we fry. We're going to fry our egg rolls in a wok with about a 1/2 inch of oil. We're going to make sure that oil is around 350 degrees, and we'll fry these egg rolls, turning them once until they're golden brown. Once your egg rolls are golden brown, they're finished through. We'll dust them with a little bit of sugar and cinnamon, and we're ready to plate our dessert. Low ice cream doesn't hurt. Look at that, beautiful. I hope you enjoy this recipe.